Hi guys, so today we're going to be opening new Soulshmallow slime. I'm so excited. It comes with a charm that is this, and it's cotton candy scented. So, let's get started. Here it is. I'm going to take the whole thing out. Push it. Oh my god, it feels so nice. It's supposed to be cloud slime, but it's like a mix of cloud slime and it's like cloud dough, but it's a mix of cloud slime and I forgot the name, but it's okay. I really like the texture. It's like a unique, nice. I just really like it. I'm gonna put in the package. I always try putting in the package like that swirl. I like this. Okay, good enough. You could take the charm out if you don't want it like dirty, but I really like it. Unique. You can subscribe if you want it and like. Bye guys! And get this online showcase, I don't know. And it's not really a scam. I got it for cheap and yeah. And let's smell it. It smells so nice. Yeah, bye guys.